guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang lamig dito sa Canada guys. So may nagpapalimos pa dito guys. Ewan ko, parang naku, Pilipino pa yata. Tingnan ko, may coins ako dito. Kaya bigyan natin ng coins guys. Ito, 1, 2, 3 dollars. Oh, 3 dollars. Pwede na to, 4 dollars. Kawawa naman guys, para may pangkain. Oh, 5 dollars na rin. Oh, guys, bigyan ko ng 5 dollars guys. Ito, 5. Kausapin natin. Just for ano lang to, entertainment purpose ha. Hindi po to ginagamit sa ano ha. Bigyan ko siya ng pera niya guys, kawawa naman. Malay nyo ano to guys, malay nyo si ano to, si Lord God. Nag-ano lang siya guys, diba? Ano, come on, come here, I'll give you money. Pumunta siya guys. Bilisan mo, balis na. Hey, faster. What's your name?
Bobby,
Here, I'll give you money. Okay, take care buddy. See you. There you go, lamig-lamig guys oh. Negative 9. Nagpapalimos siya guys. Ayan oh, negative 19. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Hope you like my man. Bye.